Today I will show you how to change the sky with one click in Photoshop 2023. Hello, welcome to the Media Creator channel. We used to choose the pen tool and try to mask it for minutes. It lasts longer. I will show you the amazing feature that comes with Photoshop 2023 now. We drag our sample photo. From the top side, we click Edit, Sky Replacement. He does self-masking and asks us to select the desired sky in the tab that opens. Let's choose now. There are a lot of options here. You can play with the settings and make it more realistic. You can change the temperature and coldness values. Before and after. Let's try it in a different and more detailed photo. I'm entering the same place again. As you can see, he even did the tree parts very well. Let's try a different photo again. I'm going into the same menu. I chose the sky, and as you can see, he couldn't do the bridge part. It's easier than a tree, but I don't understand why he couldn't do it. This feature has just arrived with Photoshop 2023 and is very successful. My training today was like this. If you want to continue my trainings, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe. See you later.